Hi kids, my name's Nicole and this is Let's Make Art and we paint together. And I have a special guest with me. This is
Ruby.
Ruby, and how old are you?
7.
7. And are there other people here?
Lolo and Keenan.
Yeah, they're gonna come say hi.
My sister.
Oh, they're sisters.
Hi,
this
everyone.
is not my sister. So we are all here to paint together.
I was talking about.
Yeah, you like that one. So we're going to be painting this beautiful Northern Lights painting. So we want you to grab out your supplies first. So we're going to be using our watercolors. And on our palette, we have 4 different colors. We have black, we have any type of green, we have a blue, and this purpley pink color. So grab out any of your colors, and then we always like to have a paintbrush. Now, we're gonna be using a wider paintbrush, but you can use any paintbrush that you have, but if you have this one, go grab this one. And then we always have a cup of water and our paper towel. Now, yeah.
I'm asking a question.
Okay, ask.
Why is there like light pink? Are you supposed to do light on it?
Yeah, you can do any color. So there's a couple different ones that we did that you can see you can do in all different ways. Now, I want to show you something. So, you like that one? Have you ever heard of the Northern Lights?
Yes.
Yes?
I watched a movie with Anna and Elsa, and they were Legos.
Oh, I didn't know they were in that. So, the Northern Lights are these beautiful light show that happens in several different places. Let's see, they happen in Alaska, Canada, this country called Iceland.
Ooh.
Really pretty. So, do you know one of our team members, SJ, actually saw it in person. So this is her photo.
She took that photo?
Yeah.
Wow, that's cool.
Or her husband took the photo because that's her right there. So you can see how we're going to be painting that same thing where the light kind of shows like that. So we're going to be painting this on our painting today. So the first step is that, let me set this right here, is Ruby and I taped ours down because we're going to be adding a lot of water to it. So I would tape yours down, ask a grown-up to help you. And then Ruby's ready to do the next step. We're going to dip into water and we're just going to paint the whole paper with just water. So I know you can't see it, but it's happening. Just adding water.
I can kind of see it.
You can? Yeah, if you kind of turn a little bit.
Ooh, that brush is really helpful.
Right? A wide brush. So we have this brush. We're just adding water to it, painting across. Okay, so this technique is called wet on wet because we're doing the first wet, and then Ruby and I want to show you the second wet. So you are then going to pick any color. We're going to use, maybe let's use the same paintbrush. Let's see what happens. So pick any color. So any color you want.
We're doing that.
You want to do this one? Okay. So maybe we'll pick some of this purpley color. And what I want you to do is, so can you see how on this one, the lines kind of go up and down? So you can do that, or you can draw them kind of sweeping across. So this is your painting. So I want you to do what you like. But what you're going to do is you're going to pick up the paint and you're just gonna go.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Boom. Whoa. So you see how it's moving?
It has a mind of its own again.
So I'm gonna pick up another color. So we're gonna do the same thing. We're just gonna be adding these lines across the sky. Now, if it dries up, you can add more water to it. But we're just going to keep mixing colors. I'll add some more purple. So I want you to paint the entire canvas with your colors. Maybe we'll mix some colors. So we have some blue here. I'm going to see what happens if we put some blue in our purple.
Yeah.
Makes a different color purple. Whoa.
Ooh, it's like an in-between.
Yeah.
Oh, nice shapes. I like those lines. Those are pretty.
Oh, what happens if I add some green?
Ooh, that's a nice green.
Ooh, yeah.
Look, that makes it a whole new color.
Ooh, that made like a teal color. So yeah, what colors can you make by them mixing? Oh, look at all the cool whoa, the ribbons of colors.
Beautiful. They're just moving around.
Yeah. Doing kind of blending together. Oh, you made a new color. Cool. Good job.
Good job, Ruby.
You're doing so good. I'm just gonna keep adding colors.
I love that green part.
At the bottom?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Whoa. So fun. Okay. Now, we're gonna keep going. So I want you to paint the entire thing. So let's keep going so we don't see any white because we're gonna add white afterwards. So let's keep going.
Just keep painting. Just keep painting.
I wanna see what happens if we use our round. Do you have a round brush? Yeah. I wanna see what happens. So we're just gonna experiment. What happens if we pick up another color? Oh, make some skinny swirls. Whoa.
Whoa.
Whoa, I had a lot of paint on there. Boom.
I made an 8.
Nice. I see that.
I can do an 8 like this.
Oh, nice. Oh, you're just painting in the sky.
Creating the sky.
Boom. Okay. Now, when you are done, it is time for Keenan's favorite time, which is
Snack time?
so we're gonna let this dry and take a snack, and then we'll meet you back here. Okay, so ours dried, we're back, and I realized we need to say our motto together, our kids' motto. So we're gonna do that first before we do the next step. So if you can raise your right hand and repeat after me. I am brave.
I am brave.
I am kind.
I am kind.
And I am creative.
And I am creative.
Let's do this. Boom! Woo! Okay, now we're going to use our white paint. We have this really cool white paint that comes in this little jar, and we're gonna use this. So, yeah, not that much. So what we're gonna do is make sure your paintbrush, we're gonna use the smaller round one. So make sure it's clean. And then we're gonna do, let's see, we have a little bit of white on here already, and I'm gonna add some water. So you wanna water this down because what we're gonna do is we're gonna add, do you see how these lines, there's really light lines. So to do that, because we wanna make this cool effect.
I know what's the black for. It's for the mountain.
Yes, good job. So we wanna add some water to our white so it makes it a really light color. Okay, so you wanna dip it in. And then what you're gonna do is you're going to paint more of those fun ribbons in the sky. So I'm gonna do it where it's kind of that curve.
Ooh, that's pretty.
Yeah, oh, yours curves so cool. So maybe add a few of them. Whoa, it kind of disappeared. Whoa.
That is neat.
Maybe if you want to add a little bit more. Whoa, Ruby. Gets a little bit more. I want to have a little bit of white. Can you do some sound effects?
Yeah, sure.
Whoa, good job. Okay, now when you've added your ribbon, we're gonna use our cool toothbrush. So if you have a toothbrush, an old one, go ask a grown-up if you can borrow it. And we're going to use this. Now, I have two different techniques I want to show you. The first one is while your ribbons are wet, what you're going to do is you're going to, let's see if this works. You're going to scrape up
Oh,
Yeah.
that's so
So do you see how it makes those cool lines?
Whoa.
So we're gonna scrape up, and if you need to add more paint, you can. So maybe we add more. So we're making those lines in the sky. What?
I don't think I can do that.
Yeah, you got some. Do you want to add more lines to your sky maybe? Okay, you can use the paintbrush.
Okay.
Boom, yeah.
Before.
And then while it's wet, maybe you go and do your scraping.
Yeah.
So we're going up because if you see on here, big lines go up like that. So that's what we're creating right now, which is
That is super pretty.
so fun, right? Yeah. We're gonna add a few more. So I like to call these ribbons. We're making these cool ribbons.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, whoa.
That sky is alive, Ruby.
So cool. Yes. Okay. Now, since it's nighttime, there might be really, really small stars.
Yep.
So I think let's do one more trick with our toothbrush. So I'm gonna grab us out a little bit more paint. I'm gonna put some water in here. We're gonna mix it around. I'm gonna mix it around. Okay, then what we're gonna do actually is you wanna grab your toothbrush. It's okay, and then, yep, go inside. So you're gonna get all the bristles wet. Nice. Yeah. And then do you wanna show them the trick?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let's teach them. So what's the first step? Hover. So you're gonna hover. Yeah. So you're gonna hover, have your bristles down, and then you're gonna go for it. So do you see how Ruby is just moving her hand, her finger? Whoa. So we're making all these little stars. So just make sure your toothbrush the bristles are facing down. Boom, good job. Whoa,
Beautiful.
so fun.
Secret stars in the beautiful sky that you painted.
Yeah, look how it came to life.
We got a little paint.
Yeah, we got a little paint on us. Now, we have our last step. We are going to paint our mountains. So when it's nighttime, usually if there's mountains or land, it's gonna be really dark. So that's why these mountains may look, do you see how she looks really dark? So that's what we're gonna do is we're gonna paint them at the bottom.
In Utah, where I used to live, there was lots of mountains. It wasn't not like that.
Not like that. Utah is really pretty. So we are going to use, we have black right here that we have out, and we're gonna grab our paintbrush, clean it off, grab some, and then yeah, we're gonna paint. Oh, we're gonna do a mountain like that? Cool. So you can do a big mountain, you can just add, sometimes I just like to add a shape like that. Then, nice. So you're gonna add black on top. Now, oh!
Whoa.
Whoa, so I think we both have a lot of black.
Those are tall mountains.
They're awesome. So we're gonna add black on top. Now, I want you to use your imagination. So if you close your eyes, what do you see? Do you see big mountains? Are there trees?
Ooh. A tent?
Oh, I can draw a tent.
That'd be
Oh,
sweet.
are they camping outside?
Yeah, camping under the northern
Okay.
lights.
Okay. So you draw what you see. I'll draw a little tent.
Oh, look.
Whoa! That's so cool.
Oh,
You
that's
get a little desert.
super
Yeah.
cool.
I made a new color.
So tents, this tent is gonna be triangle. It's gonna be open. So you get to use your imagination. What do you see? What's in your painting?
This is the moon.
Yeah!
Oh,
I
nice.
like your imagination. Fun!
And then this is a tree.
Yes, I love your tree. So cool. I want to add some trees too. Is that tent good?
That tent is an A-frame, as they say in the camping world.
Oh.
And it's perfect.
Great.
It's just the way we like it.
Look at my tent.
Yeah! You
On the
had
top of your mountain.
We're camping together? Yes. I want to add some trees too, like you did. So I drew some lines, and I'm going to add some leaves to my trees. Boom. So good.
Actually, those trees kind of look like a camping city.
Oh,
You
that's
got
what
a
it
whole
is.
area on the hill.
We need a little more black.
You need a little more black? Okay. So fun.
Yeah.
So good. Good job. Now, last step is we're going to take the tape off, which is a really fun part. So Ruby and I are going to take the tape off really slightly. Oh,
This is the most satisfying part.
fun. This is a magic trick in itself.
Yeah.
So we're taking our tape off.
Ooh, make sure you're careful about going too fast.
Yeah, go slow. Nice.
Hey, look. The little part there.
Oh, cool.
It's trying to escape.
Ta-da!
Wow.
You did that.
Beautiful.
What?
The blue moon.
Yeah, Blue Moon. Nice. So good. Good job. That was so much fun.
Good
Okay,
work, ladies.
that was awesome. So this was our fun Northern Lights guide. We want to see what you made. We have a Facebook group called Let's Make Art Kids Projects. Take a photo of you, share with us. And thank you for painting with me, Ruby. Thank you too for being here.
Thank you.
And we'll see you next time. Bye.